Hi everyone, so I'm back with a great off-campus opportunity, and this one is with Groundtruth. So if you don't know by now, Groundtruth is hiring for a variety of roles right now, including software engineering interns and associate software engineers, which are fit for people looking for internship or people looking for full-time roles as a fresher. And in this video, we'll be talking more about the roles and the requirements that they have. We'll be talking about the eligibility, and of course, I'm going to give you guys tips on each of the roles on how to get your resume shortlisted. So watch the entire video and then apply ASAP. The links to apply are going to be in the description box. And I really want to put emphasis on this. Make sure that you apply as soon as possible because a lot of these openings are pretty much closing within a couple of days. My Build-A-Soft video got a decent amount of views. A lot of you guys applied and then they closed the opening after a couple of days. Because whenever any company starts receiving a lot of applications, whenever they have enough applications, they will close the opening. It's not going to be open forever. So don't think I'll apply tomorrow, I'll apply day after tomorrow. Make sure that you watch the video, get the hints, get all of the keywords, get all of the information from this video, put it in your resume and then apply as soon as possible. And if you're someone who's having difficulty in off-campus placements, you're not able to get your resume shortlisted, you're not able to get a call back, or you're not able to crack the interviews, or you don't know how to prepare for off-campus placements, or any other sort of issues in your placement journey, then you can connect one-to-one with me, where I'll personally guide you and mentor you, and I'll make sure that you have all of the information that is needed for you to crack your dream company. So you can connect one-to-one with me. The link for that is going to be in the description box. All right, coming back to this opportunity, like I said, Groundtruth is hiring for a variety of roles. The two roles that I'll be talking about, one is going to be a software engineering internship, but in detail, if we talk, it's going to be a AI internship / fellowship. Okay. And then you have an associate software engineering role, which is for freshers having 0 to 3 years of experience, meaning that even if you have no years of experience, you can still apply. This is for the associate software engineering role, and the AI internship / fellowship role, that is for people, of course, having no experience because it is an internship. Okay, so talking about the eligibility for both of these roles, for the AI internship / fellowship, they have not mentioned any exact eligibility. The only thing they've mentioned is that you need to be ready to commit for 6 months internship, and it can extend, it can go from 6 to 12 months. Okay, the pay is good though. For the internship, the pay is going to be 55,000 per month, which is pretty decent. And of course, it's a long internship so that you have a good chance of getting, a PPO, getting a full-time role. Because as you guys already know, I have talked about this in the past, the higher the length of the internship is, the higher your chances of getting a PPO is going to be. Okay, so they've not mentioned eligibility. So what I will suggest, if you're a recent graduate, if you're a final year student, or if you're someone who has time, who can commit to a 6 months internship, go for it. Okay. As for the associate software engineering role, that is for freshers and that is for people who are recent graduate. Meaning if you're a 2025 grad or 2024 grad or before, then you're eligible for this. You don't need any experience. Don't get confused. Even if you have 0 years of experience, you can apply for this. So these were the two eligibilities. Both are different. Don't get confused. And if you still have any doubt, feel free to ask me in the comments. I'll clarify it there for you. Okay, but this is pretty much the eligibility. Now, talking more about the roles, first let's talk about the AI internship role or the AI fellowship. So the good thing is that you don't need any prior experience for that. All you need is familiarity. All you need is familiarity with these LLM tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and how to integrate them, how to use them. Okay, so if you've used Python and if you've used any LLM, or even if you've integrated any of these, AI tools in your project, which is why I highly suggest, which is something I always suggest, that always integrate AI in your projects. Whatever your project is, it's a full stack project, it's an Android project, it's a data project, anything that you're making, try to integrate AI in it. Even if it is something as simple as making an API call to ChatGPT, to Gemini, any AI tool, and getting a result and just showcasing it to the viewer. Even if it is something as simple as a chatbot or image generator, but integrate AI in your projects. Because whenever there's an AI role, this will make you stand apart. Even if it's not an AI role, it is going to make you stand apart because it is the hype of AI, it is the age of AI, and you have so many companies who are fighting to be in the AI race. So you need to be part of the same race. You need to integrate AI in your projects. I'll be making soon an entire video on this, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that video. Okay, so the requirements or the role basically is going to be all about AI. You'll be working with AI. You'll be working with different AIs and you will be learning a lot of things. So if you're someone who's passionate about AI, who feels like you want to build your career as an AI engineer, go for it. It's a great opportunity. It's a fantastic opportunity. The best part is that they are not looking for a lot of experience. All they're looking for is familiarity with using these tools, and if possible, using these tools with development, with projects, etc. So make sure that you frame your application, make sure you frame your portfolio accordingly, and mention some of these AI features, some of these tools. Okay, as usual, the list of keywords is going to be in the description box. Now, coming to the full-time role, that is the associate software engineering role. This is a full-time role, of course, and here it's not related to AI. It is a proper software engineering role, meaning you have REST APIs, you have backend, you have JavaScript related tech stack, you have all of these things, right? So I don't want to name every tech stack because of course that will make the video very longer, and you guys are already complaining that the videos are too long. So like I always do, I'll give you guys a list of keywords for this also. So I'll create just one single page and I'll divide it like these are the keywords for the AI internship, these are the keywords for the full-time role. So you'll get the entire list of keywords in the description box. Make sure that you integrate it the right way. Okay. If you're a recent graduate, this is a great role. I highly suggest that you should apply for this. And again, you don't need to have any experience. You can have experience, that is fine, but it's not a mandatory thing to have. Okay. So prepare a decent resume, use all of the keywords. Again, not all of the keywords. Use whatever keywords you're comfortable with, what you're learning, what you've already learned, or what you're familiar with. But don't put anything that you don't know anything about. If there is a keyword and you know nothing about it, don't put. At least if you're willing to learn, only then you should put it. Otherwise, don't put. Okay. So the entire list of keywords will be there, and that will help you make your resume, mold your resume according to their requirements. And that itself will help you a lot during ATS. But as you already know, ATS has the specific checks and it has the general checks. Only having the specific keywords is not going to help you. You need to make sure that your resume is good on a general ATS level as well. What does general level ATS mean? It just means that it has a good ATS score. If it's above 80, well and good. Apart from that, if you have a good ATS friendly template, if you have a pass friendly template, it also matters. So make sure you do two of these things, and that along with the keywords will give you a great chance of getting shortlisted. Now, for the fellowship role, I don't think there's any use of asking for referral, but for the full-time role, you can ask for referral. You can get referrals for this, because I always suggest whenever there's a full-time role that you're applying for, referrals will work. Okay, of course, it depends how much it will work. Depends on two things, how much the company gives values to referral and who you're asking for referral. But it is better than applying without referral. So what I'll suggest, if you know anyone working at the same company, or if you're connected with someone working in the same company, or if you can even message any stranger working in the same company and ask them for a referral. If you're able to get a referral, well and good. If you're not able to get a referral, you can apply directly. Don't wait too long for a referral. Max, you can wait half a day. I don't suggest waiting more than that. And of course, the referral template that I suggest you guys to use, along with the resume template, along with all of the other things, keywords, etc., is going to be in the description box. So you can use that for the resume, for the referral, pretty much for everything. Okay, so everything is in the description box. Have a proper look at it, mold your resume accordingly, and then apply to the roles. And apart from this, there are a lot more openings. There are more openings that I'm able to make a video on, so I'll be giving links to that. I'm only picking the most important that I feel are actually important, and I'm making a video only on that. Otherwise, you'll be seeing 6, 7, 8 videos every day, which is not possible for me to make, and it's not possible for you to watch. So I'm picking the best of the best openings where you have the maximum chances of getting shortlisted, and that I'm bringing to you guys. But I'll still put links of other openings as well, so you can try your luck there as well. But the most important thing is that you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe so you do not miss out on any of the videos. As soon as the video comes out, be one of the early movers. Make sure that you apply as soon as possible. It really matters a lot. Okay, it does. First come first serve is a real thing for job hunting. Okay, a lot of these openings close before you can even get a chance to completely read the page. So that's why apply ASAP. Make sure that you subscribe, watch out for more videos, and if you need any help, you can connect one-to-one with me. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll try to bring one more video for today. But again, let's see based on what the role is and if it's worth it or not. But again, you stay tuned, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments. Let's see you in the next video.